I want to know what the area the IBA can assist. I came from a country that there is absolutely no rule of law, because Lady Helena was talking about protection of judges and lawyers.
In a country where silence has become strategy and injustice works freely in daylight, a storm is rising, not with bullets but with both voices that refuse to be silenced. Today we bring you an update that pierces the veil of secrecy Nigerian ruling class has tried so hard to hide behind. In a dramatic move that could shake the corridors of power and awaken the conscience, Barrister Maxwell Opara, one of the principal lawyers representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has officially taken actions to the international community. Yes, you heard that right. After endless court rulings that have been ignored, after repeated denials of access to legal documents, family and medical care, and after years of unlawful detention, Maxwell Opara has turned Nigerian human rights abuses to an international headline. This isn't just another courtroom drama. This is the voice of a legal warrior saying, enough is enough. A call to global watchdogs, human rights defenders, and justice institutions across the world to no longer turn blind eye. This is a lawyer putting it all on the line, not just for his clients, but for the truth, justice, and the millions of unheard voices across Biàfraland and beyond. So if you're tired of hearing only one side of the story, if you're ready to hear what the world needs to know about the real state of things in Nigeria, then sit tight, because this update isn't just breaking news. It is a battle cry for accountability. Welcome to Viewpoint News, where we bring you not just the story, but the storm behind the silence.
I want to know what the area the IBA can assist. I came from a country that there is absolutely no rule of law, because Lady Helena was talking about protection of judges and lawyers who are fighting for improvement of rule of law. But in my own country, judges were not protected, lawyers were not protected. You dare not protest in Nigeria. And the funny aspect of it is that the leaders will destroy the democratic setting in the country, and they will rush to other countries to seek for medical tourism and what have you. What is IBA doing? I suggest that this is high time IBA will have sort of a discussion with the United Nations to place sanctions. We have our Indian past leader, President Muhammad Buhari. He destroyed the entire democratic system we have in Nigeria. But anytime he's sick, he just rushed to London, rush to America. So how can IBA assist in protecting some of us who are fighting?
It's the echo of truth breaking through the noise of deception. When a man like Maxwell Opara speaks, the world must listen, because he speaks not with bitterness, but with the burden of facts, the weight of justice, and the pain of a people who have far too suffered in silence. By going international, this isn't just a legal move. It is a historic one. It says, if Nigerian courts will not act, then the world will hear. It says, when a state becomes deaf to its own constitution, justice must travel across borders. It says Biàfraland is not forgotten, neither is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But what happens next depends on us. The international community may be watching now, but they won't act if we stay silent. The truth has been stabled, the call has been made. So what will you do? Will you stand while democracy is shredded? Or will you raise your voice, support the movement, and share this message until it can no longer be ignored? If this update moved you, then don't just scroll past. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let your voice rise alongside those demanding justice. Let the world see that we are not just viewers, we are witnesses to history. This is Viewpoint News, and we don't just report news, we speak truth to power, no matter how loud the silence gets. Until next time, stay informed, stay alert, and never stop demanding justice.